Welcome to the exercise, creating the detailed drawings for the stairs and railings. So in picking up where we left off, let's go ahead and use this now configured template. Although before we do so, let's quickly change the default arrangement of the two additional views we just generated. In this case, so the program places them to the right of the drawing. Also, let's increase the default distance between drawings. And with this change now performed, let's go ahead and use this template. And for which, as the first step, we should select the main part of the assembly. Or in this case, this particular stringer. And with this now selected, we should continue by choosing the type of prototype or layout that we want to use for generating the detailed drawing. Now, for this purpose, we are presented with two choices. Create the prototype using the default settings, or modify those settings for creating a new customized prototype. In this case, let's pick the second choice so we can properly configure the layout that we'll use. And from this point forward, we can begin to add all the labels and dimensions that we need, along with any call-out and cut views for further detailing the stair. But let's carry on and obtain next the detailed drawing corresponding to one of the railings over the landings. Now, to start off, and unlike with the stair, we don't need to first define the main part of the assembly.